How to schedule post with Buffer. Firstly, go to Buffer on any of your web browser. Here you need to sign up or log into your account. To that, click on the Get Started for Free option. If you already have an account, then click on Login. Once you're inside, you will see an interface like this. At the very top right corner, click on New Post. Now you can just drag and drop all the files you would like to schedule. At the top, you will see all the social media like Twitter, Facebook and many more. Click on each of the one and select Connect Channels to Post. To connect, you will need to provide verification or email and password. After logging in, you can select them. Once you have selected the post and selected all the social media, go to Next Step to schedule your post. You can also start a thread by clicking on Start Thread. Open your files and just drag the files in it. You will also see options like queues, drafts and approvals right here. So by using Buffer, you can post on multiple platforms at once but also schedule the post. That's all for today. Thank you.